Hi, it's a great day in sports analytics. I'm Victor Holman, sports analytics expert, and welcome to the Sports Analytics 3-minute drill, where I break down sports analytic methods and explain how they're being used today in the world of sports. Today we're going to discuss network style models and the player tracking data research conducted by Brian Skinner and Stephen J. Guy. So let's begin. The network model is a database model conceived as a flexible way of representing objects and their relationships. Its distinguishing feature is that the schema, viewed as a graph in which the object types are nodes and relationships are arcs, is not restricted to being a hierarchy. Since the 2013-2014 season, all NBA arenas have installed a system of cameras and tracking software. These systems provide a wealth of information that can then be analyzed. This information includes both quantifiable and non-quantifiable skills. Quantifiable skills include points, rebounds, assists, steals, and blocks. Non-quantifiable skills include high-quality passes that are not assists, setting up good screens, or effective rotation on defense. This tracking information is not currently available to the public. If or when it does become available, these researchers suggest creating a network model to analyze this information. It is possible to create a network model of a basketball offense that relates players' skills to the team's success at running different plays. If the tracking information were input into such a model, the output would give analysts and teams the capability to predict the ability and effectiveness of any five-man lineup. Traditionally, analysts spend a considerable amount of time watching players perform in order to evaluate different aspects of their performance, with an emphasis on the non-quantifiable aspects that could not be seen on the score sheet. This combination of tracking data and network model would provide analysts with unbiased information of the different players' skill levels and how they would work together as a team. Every aspect of the game would be open to evaluation. Analysts could learn the skill levels of NBA players and use this to make predictions regarding the team's performance in the upcoming season. Using the tracking data and network model combination allows coaches and management to predict how their team is affected by a variety of changes, including trades, substitutions, or alternative plays. Coaches are able to input different line combinations into the model, giving them the ability to determine the most effective way to use their players in order to improve their offensive performance. This system also provides the opportunity to determine which plays are the most effective against any given opponent. Teams can determine how players would work together, giving them increased insight when making personnel decisions, such as who should be traded. Management can input trade prospects into the model to determine if their abilities would be effective in improving the team as a whole. This application is just waiting for the tracking information to become available. It can also be adapted to look at defensive capabilities. Other analytic methods used in this research includes high-low models, statistical inference algorithms, and network-style models. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative. If you'd like to learn about a groundbreaking approach for leveraging analytics to get players to execute team strategy, check out my Agile Sports Analytics framework, software, and mobile app. If you'd like to know how your team or sports organization can leverage analytics across the 7 key maturity areas and 26 best practices, check out my Sports Analytics Maturity Model and take the free comprehensive Sports Analytics Maturity Assessment. To learn more about this and 150 different sports analytic methods, purchase my book, Sports Analytics from A to Z, available on Amazon. And if you need help developing analytic models that create a competitive edge, contact me for a free consultation at www.agilesportsanalytics.com or call me at 888-861-8733.